Chapter 3. In the Yard. In the yard he saw his friends, funny and naughty. They were on the playground. "Hi," cried Fat. "Oh, Fat, we're glad to see you. Happy birthday." "Why do you look like traffic lights?" laughed Naughty. "I don't. I look cute," said Fat. "What have you got?" asked Naughty. "I've got a bike. It's my birthday present." "Oh, great. Can I ride it?" asked Naughty. "Oh, Naughty, but I want to ride it myself," said Fat. "Okay," said Naughty. So Fat climbed upon his bike and started cycling. There was a small gate in the fence of the yard. Fat wanted to ride through the gate, but the gate was too small for him, so his bike went through, and Fat got stuck in the gate. "Help me! Help me!" cried Fat. "Catch my bike!" Funny and Naughty ran to catch the bike. It wasn't easy, but at last they did it. They climbed upon the bike and came back to Fat. "Oh, now, help me, please. I can't hang here like this. I must be at home at noon," cried Fat. Funny and Naughty ran up to him. "Oh, you look so funny," laughed Funny. "Don't laugh. Please get me down," cried Fat. Funny and Naughty first pulled him, then pushed him, but nothing helped. "Run to my mum," cried Fat. So Funny and Naughty ran to Fat's mum very fast. They told her all the story. She took a bottle of olive oil and ran to her poor son. When she came up to him, she opened the bottle and poured the oil down on Fat. "What are you doing?" shouted Fat. "I'm helping you, dear," answered his mum. "Oh, I'm falling," cried Fat, and fell down on the grass